Lefkada is a beautiful Greek island in the Aegean Sea. This beautiful beach in Greece was voted as the bluest waters in the world. There is a beach in Lefkada which is really famous for the blue color of their waters and sandy, white beach which creates an absolutely breathtaking landscape. Of course, it is about the beautiful beach of Agremi in southwest Lefkada, which is an impressive beach of overlooking all the shades of blue. This island is certainly a treasure of the nature. There are beaches, lakes, destinations and landscape that you won't find anywhere in the world. There are many locations in Lefkada where the view of the Ionian water is magical and creates an ideal landscape for relaxing under the sun. With a natural scenery that reminds you of an exotic place, the 2-kilometer coast is not a coincidence that every year it fills with the travel magazines and websites listed with the most beautiful beaches in the whole world.
Hey there! Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon, so you never miss any new updates, cause whenever we upload new video you will get a notification on your phone.